When you create common ground among conflicting theories, some may have a broader range of applicability than others. This is what we call situation A. A theory's range can be broad for a number of reasons. 1. Its disciplinary origins are already expansive, like behaviorism, which attempts to explain and predict human behavior across many situations. 2. It's already an interdisciplinary theory, like those from social psychology, cultural anthropology, behavioral economics, and so on. In this situation, start by identifying all the variables addressed by all the relevant theories. I recommend making a list and using the map you created much earlier in the IRP. Then, try to reduce the number of variables you're working with through organization and categorization. Use some of the tables from earlier videos to help you. Perhaps you can group a set of variables under the same broad heading, like personality traits, social norms, or types of power. Next, determine how many of the categories are included in each theory. Again, try to narrow down the amount of information you'll need to modify. For instance, if one category shows up in every theory, it's probably important to your work. The next step is to select the theory that can most easily be extended to include all the categories you've deemed significant. Once you've identified the most comprehensive theory, start modifying it and broaden its range using the technique of extension. If it doesn't refer to an important variable or category, find a way to include it. Ideally, the expanded version of the theory should incorporate all the relevant causal factors from the other theories as well, even when these variables are not part of the scope of the project. Understanding the context and the reasons things happen will help you see connections between disciplines and eventually find common ground among their theories.